Hello, I'm Tony Jones. I'm your British Gas Heating Advisor. I'm here today to talk to you about your central heating appointment. So what happens at the appointment? The heating advisor will sit you down to go through some questions first of all. Those questions really are about your property, to understand if you are having any extensions done, loft conversions done, etc. Then the heating advisor will ask you about your current usage of your heating and hot water demand. So the heating advisor can really understand your needs for your new central heating boiler. The heating advisor will then do a heating survey of your property, looking around the whole property to really get a good understanding on how you use it and what you have currently in your property. Then the heating advisor will sit you back down to give you the choices of what is available now for your new central heating boiler. At British Gas, we always recommend you have a heating advisor round because every property is different, every customer's needs are different. So we offer the free no obligation heating advisor visit, so we always recommend that for every customer. Every appointment length is completely different. Depends how many questions you have, how big the property is, and what you're trying to achieve from your new central heating boiler. The best time for the appointment for the heating advisor is the summer. That means the new boiler can be changed in the summer months, so you're fully prepared for the forthcoming winter. To prepare for your appointment, what you need to do is think about your current central heating system, think about what you like about it, think about what you don't like about it. Also, what plans you have for your property, e.g. a loft conversion, extension, changing a bathroom to a shower room. So that really helps the heating advisor understand your world and come up with the right solution with you for your new central heating boiler. All boilers from British Gas are A-rated. That means to you they're over 90% efficient, which means you could save up to £235 a year on your running costs. There are two types of system on the market, the combi condensing and the conventional condensing. Your heating advisor will thoroughly go through both system types to ensure that you choose the right one to suit your needs.